and welcome to DCA Adventure. I am Jay, back again with a Monday cryptocurrency market update. Guys, if you love our content, please like, subscribe, smash that bell for notifications. This is not financial advice. Trading is very risky. Don't want to lose all your money. Get somewhere where you're going to learn how to use the basics. Get a trading plan set up. You know, all the good stuff. If you're interested in learning how to trade, you want some sweet ass trading tools, or you're looking for some signal channels, you want to learn how to run bots, join the DCA Patreon group, join my tier, Trading with the View, and by doing so, you're going to get access to all that stuff. We have the DCA oscillator, DCA power tool, and all kinds of other tools that you will get access to, plus a channel where we got 5 or 6 trading bots spitting out trades all day long when I'm not trading. And you will also get access to the private signal channel where you will get to see what I'm trading, when I'm trading, and why I am trading. I'm trading over at Bybit, Phemex, Pionex, using Celsius, Crypto.com, all over the place. But a lot of the links are in the description, guys. Use the links. Everything is running Black Friday sales. You're going to get huge deposit bonuses at Phemex and Bybit. If you're charting, you want to use the DCA tools, you got to make an account over on TradingView. Use the free subscription. You don't need to have a paid one. Use the free version. And right now they're having a Black Friday sale up to 60% off plus 1 month free. So get over there, check this out. Link for that is in the description, you guys. Also, if you're looking for some cryptocurrency swag, you guys know where to go. You got to hit up dogelord.com. Run the promo right now. Don't delay buy today. I'm sure I need to update that. I'm sure there's a new promo running for that. I'm too busy lately. But what is up, everybody? How y'all doing? Hope you're having a good start to the week. Mondays always suck. Let me get over back onto YouTube here. Alright, get off of TradingView and go over here to CoinGecko. As you guys can see, Bitcoin is down 11.3% for the last week, coming in at $56,835. Not looking good, not looking good. Is it going to go to zero? I don't know. I highly doubt it. Highly doubt it. If you could tell the sarcasm in my voice. Ethereum down 9.6% for the week, coming in at $4,156. Binance Coin down 11% for the last 7 days, coming in at $565. I can't believe Tether is not red right now. Anyway, it's at $1. I went all in on Tether and I didn't make that much. I was kind of upset about it. Thought I was going to get wrecked, but didn't. Solana, 8.2%, right around $220. Cardano, whopping 11.5%, $1.79. These are buy times, guys. Buy times. Big red dumps like this, 15 to 30% drops, I'm buying. XRP, 11.1%. Damn, a lot of 11s, like 11.5 to 11% here. Polkadot down 12%, $39. Crypto.com, this thing has been just killing it right now. And I'm sure it's the hype of the football stadiums that they're getting named after. So who knows? Who knows? But Crypto.com, 68.9% for the week, coming in at 78 cents. So kicking ass, taking names. Litecoin down 20.5%, down $210. So we're going to look at Litecoin. Depending on where it's at, we're going to see if it's going to be a good buy. Let's see. Chainlink, 16.1%, coming in at $26. So all of them are going to be red, guys. I mean, we're going to have a couple here and there that are going to be green. Elron, wish I'd have bought back into this. It's up 56%. It's moving straight up. Cosmos, 3.1% for the week, coming in at $32. Now we're going to jump over here to CoinGecko at the top metaverse coins by market cap. We got Axie Infinity down 9.8% at $129. But you guys are going to notice There's a lot more of these that are green. A lot more of these metaverse tokens. Metaverse is virtual reality, play to earn games, stuff like that. I'm going to show you guys one here at the end of the stream. But the market cap is 30.8 billion. So it's getting there, you guys. It's getting there. We're going to see $1 trillion market cap on these metaverse tokens very, very soon. I would put money on it. Decentraland Mana coming in at 21.9% for the week, right around $4. So it's moving. Sandbox 74% for the week at $5. Now, if you guys have been watching my videos for the last 3 weeks, I've been showing you these coins and showing you Sandbox and Mana, and I've been telling you about all of them, about how you should be looking at them, getting ready for them. If you would have listened, you'd be sitting at 74.4% on the Sandbox. Decentraland has moved way more than 21%. For the last 3 weeks, I'd say it's up over 100%. Engine coin, I hold some Engine. It's up 15.9%, coming in at $3.51. UFO gaming, this is another big one, 65% move. And look, guys, it is stupid cheap. 1,000,000 zeros, 4345. So check this one out. I really like UFO gaming. I think this one will be a lot bigger. Definitely wouldn't hurt to pick more of this up for sure. But CoinGecko, you guys, you can go, if you just type in metaverse tokens, you can find in Google, Brave, wherever you're using DuckDuckGo, it'll just pop up and it'll say top metaverse coins on CoinGecko. Just click that link, it'll bring you right to where we're at. There's tons of them, you guys. There's tons of them. So check these out. What up, Jason S? What up, Schnick Diesel? What up, Fox Protocol Mining, Crypto Mokel? Appreciate you guys stopping in. Gonna try to stay on Mondays. I don't know if anybody in the Discord has seen, but RTM 51% attack. It's not getting a 51% attack, but it's very possible that it could. So if you are mining RTM, you are on Flock Pool, move your hash rate. It's the right thing to do. Just move it over. If you want to learn more about what I'm talking about, check out Rabid Mine on YouTube. He put out a video. That's who I watched. So go check him out. I do not have a link to his video right now. Maybe we'll get it if somebody will remind me. All right, let's jump right over to Trading View. Get that off there. We're going to look at Bitcoin first, you guys. Let's see where we are at on the log growth curve chart. We're going to look at a couple different places. This is what we had charted last week on Old Bit, and this is the daily chart here, guys. Now you can see that this is a pretty good level, and if we're looking left on our chart, let me get my little box here. We're looking left on our chart. This was the box of support we didn't want to break out of. We wanted to stay. We got to stay right where we're at. We can't break any lower than this area, but I really wanted us to stay up here in this area of support. We are underneath that 50-day moving average. This is acting as resistance now. We are underneath of it. Technically, we're still in, we're bullish on the daily chart, but we got to get price back up into this box. Has to. This box starts right around 59,000, goes right up to around 61, almost 62,000. That's the area to beat. We do not want to close any lower than we're at right now. We close below $54,000, we're in trouble. $55,000, we are going to be in trouble. A possible drop all the way down to this 200-day could happen. But this box that we have here at the bottom, I told you guys last week, not saying it's going to happen, but it's possible that Bitcoin could fall down to this box. And now it's even more possible, it's even more plausible that it may come down and test this area. So be watching, be ready. 3 commas, there's a link in the description for 3 commas. What you can do with 3 commas, and this is very helpful, you can hook 3 commas up to tons of different exchanges through API key. And then by doing this, 3 comma has an oh shit button, okay? So if you set it up through API and the market starts dumping and you can catch it at the very top, you can run in there and hit that oh shit button, and it will literally dump everything for USD. It'll dump every single asset in your wallet. So it's worth doing, worth setting up, just in case. You can see on the oscillator we are down here way at the bottom. We're nearing the oversold. So hopefully we'll start buying some. We'll start moving back up. VWAP looks like it's going to start curling up towards 0. So if that happens, that's going to be super, super good for Bitcoin. Be watching this 50-day moving average right around 60,400. I shorted back here. I'm in a short position right around $59,800. I'm doing very good. I'm up over 300% right now on that short. So we'll see what's going to happen. I want to go over to BLX. Well, first we're going to look at the weekly, then we'll go over to BLX. Oh, so right now we are sitting on that median line on the Bitcoin log growth curve chart, logarithmic curve chart. Now, this is a very important line. We do not want to close a monthly candle underneath of this line. You can already see we did dip below there. That's where one of our middle boxes of support ends. So it's got to stay up above that median line. If it doesn't, then bad news bears for Bitcoin, like I said. Could fall all the way down here to the $31,000 area. If it closes below this, bank on it hitting this bottom band. That 50-month moving average is actually riding on that band. The 50-month moving average is right around $23,000. So it's very possible we go into bull market or bear market and we ride all the way back down here. This Fibonacci level is looking like it's holding up support. It's got 2 touches. Each time we touch it, it's going to get weaker and weaker. Something to keep in mind. I'll go to BLX, look at the curve chart. BLX is even putting us even farther down underneath of it, the median line. So it's hard to tell, guys. This is do or die for Bitcoin. We do not want to see a close under there. We got 7 days, 22 hours, so a week, a little over a week. Jason S. Tether always seems to be around $1. It's weird. I know, right? I always think I'm gonna make millions off of it, and I invest in it, and it just doesn't move. Keep an eye on this, you guys. It's very possible we close below that in 7 days, 22 hours. That's not good for Bitcoin. Be looking probably in the range of 36,000 down here to that area of $29,000. That's gonna be right around your 21-month moving average. We're gonna look at Ethereum. Log growth curve chart will not work on Ethereum, so don't use it. This is all the stuff we had charted last week, so everybody knows I always leave everything up so we come back and look at it, see if I was right, see if I was wrong. So far we are respecting that box of support we drew in there last week, but we are hitting this 50-day moving average. This is not good. I don't like to see this. When we're underneath, it's acting as resistance. In a perfect world, I take my short positions here like I did on Bitcoin. I took my short right at the 50-day moving average, and it's doing very well right now. My stop loss is at 200% profit, so it gives me a little bit of a cushion for it to move down even more. Oscillator showing it's getting down to the oversold area, so hopefully this thing will start churning back up and we can get back above the 50-day moving average. And then obviously we're going to have to fight the next area from 4,400 up here to right around 4,600 is the big area to beat. Now you guys, if you were trading Ethereum, you could have drawn in a perfect trade. You could have drawn in this breakout trade just like this. You could have done it a couple different ways, as a channel, a wedge, a pennant, several different ways you could draw this in here. But as soon as we broke out of the bottom and kept going, you probably would have got confused by the wick, so you probably would go wick to wick in this case. But either way, decent breakout trade. broadening, falling wedge. Weekly, very bullish on Ethereum. Momentum's looking like it's going to curve and actually make another wave, start to another wave. Now, if it makes a bigger wave over here, we end up coming, damn it, marker. We end up coming down and then back up. And this wave is bigger on top than this wave. We know that's our trigger wave. We need to be taking that sell and riding the momentum down on Ethereum. Where we were riding it down to, that's not a big area of support. We said that last week. Very surprised that it's you know, it's actually validating right there. I would suspect that it's going to go down here to the 21, right around $3,457. What up, Nemesis? What up, brother? I'd definitely be watching for Ethereum to fail support here. This is not a big area, so very possible it doesn't hold. We're gonna go to Litecoin because it was melting faces not too long ago, and it ain't melting them so far anymore. It's down like 17%. Back to the daily. Now look at that, guys. Look at that. Litecoin is in our box of resistance, or in our box of support, and it is bouncing off the 50-day moving average. We are on top of the 50-day moving average. This is acting as support. In the Patreon group, this is where we would be taking our buys. If I had seen this before the video, I would have already posted the trade in there. But why I trade these moving averages is look how close we follow them and we respect them. The higher time frame, daily, weekly. As long as we close above this daily, I would be buying here. You know, a lot of people say, "Oh, we're down at the daily. You want to get in right at the bottom of the you know, the dump, and we're going to get in right here." That's fine. You can do that and just put your stop loss down here, you know, and if you're lucky and it doesn't go down any farther and wick down below the moving average, then you hit a good trade. If you want to play it even safer, wait for this daily candle to close. We got 21 hours and 40 minutes. The daily candle closes above there, probably should buy. This candle before it, literally 4 hours ago, closed. It closed above the 50-day, so that's pretty bullish. Even though this is a big red candle, the fact that it respected this 50-day moving average is bullish. So take a buy on Litecoin. $205 is where it came down to. Right now it's sitting right around 208, 209, so definitely worth a buy. Take a look at the weekly. The 50-week moving average is at 186, and guys, on the weekly chart, Litecoin is not even in a bull run. The 21's got to be above that 50. We did have that bearish cross right here. 21 crossed under the 50. That's what this whole little rundown was. So be ready for it to cross back up. I'm surprised through all of here that it didn't. So that's it's pretty weird that the price action didn't actually make this cross, but pay attention to this. It is a pretty good area of support where it's sitting right here with this bottom box, and that's the bottom is about 198, 197, and the top of that box is sitting right around 215. Notice on the oscillator, we are in the overbought area. We did print a red dot. Momentum did clip off. That was here, this candle today on the weekly. Something to keep an eye on. We're going to look at Crow. Gundy's been kicking ass on the Crow. Got to be somewhere else to see if FTX has any info. Yep, they got a lot more information. I don't like how all the momentum and all the volume left this candle. This is a doji candle. Normally this is a reversal. What a doji candle is an indecisive market. So you have the open and the close end up at the exact same spot almost, and that's a really good example of a doji candle. And when you see these at the top of runs, this typically means that it's going to reverse and it's going to go the other way. Another good reason that it's probably going to cool off here for a bit, the deviation away from the 21 moving average, 21-day moving average, is pretty big. It's a really big deviation. As soon as you look back in history of anything that is using moving averages, we always come back. We deviate away, we come back. We deviate away, we come back. So be ready for the comeback. This 21 moving average may be up here at 56 cents when it decides that it's going to come back and test it. So just, because every day these are moving. So tomorrow this moving average will be up here. Next day it'll be up here. As long as momentum and volume keep coming in. We are seeing momentum clip here though on the daily. So what up, Gallo Salam? Appreciate you stopping in. Momentum isn't looking like it's about to clip here, so be safe with Crow. I would not buy into this right now. That'd be way too risky. If you're wanting to buy in, like I said, wait until we come back and test one of these. We go to the weekly. Again, this is a straight up parabolic move. I think a lot of the hype is the football stadiums, NFL stadiums. That's pretty big. That's pretty big for something like that, for Crypto.com to be able to do something like that. So we shall see. The weekly candle looks very good though, as of right now. You can see that sellers were in control there for a second. They pushed it down, buyers said fuck that, and they slapped them right back up. And so here we go. No resistance to the left of the chart, so the sky's the limit. But again, guys, for me, it's just way too risky to get in. This thing could go to $1 easily. It could go to $5, or it could go all the way back down to this 21-week moving average at 24 cents. So be super safe. What up? Oh, great to see you. Yeah, you too, buddy. Staples Arena, no more. Yep, that's crazy. It's going to be Crypto.com. And that is freaking humongous. I mean, that's awesome for the crypto world that this is happening. It's getting so mainstream, it's ridiculous. It seems like everybody and everywhere where you go are talking about it now. I remember, 2016, 2017, nobody really knew about it at all. If you talked about it, people thought you were crazy. And it's just funny to see ATMs, all the games and all the actors and professional football players and all these people making these NFTs. What sucks is they don't have a single fucking clue how NFTs or cryptocurrency works. They have people that are just making the shit for them and they're putting their name behind it and backing it up. Eventually they're gonna have to learn, right? Wonder if UFO is on here to chart. We're gonna see UFO wrapped ETH. We'll see what's up on that. Go to the daily. What up, Lethargy? Oh, a good one. Football stadium kiss of death. A few businesses have gone belly up after sponsorships. Sports Authority is the last one I remember. Not that I want crypto to crash, of course. Just an observation. Well, a good one at that, buddy. A good one at that. Anybody that is in the UFO token with wrapped ETH. The daily candle don't look very good. Look like finally the sellers have gotten control as of right now. If this candle closes like that, be definitely looking for a run down. Your first area of support on UFO is going to be right around in this area. 1,000,085 down to 1,000,071. I would probably be betting that it's going to come all the way down here to 1,000,060. That's probably where I'm going to try to buy more at. But guys, this has a shit ton of potential to blow up. And I am going to show you all a little bit of the games to earn, like you earn the game, whatever you want to say, where you can play games and earn. Like Rev Racing, I told you guys last week. I'm going to show you a little bit of that at the end of the stream. Actually, an NBA stadium. Don't think the Rams or Chargers play there. Huh. Yeah, I have to dig into it a little bit more exactly and see which one it is. Look at Cake. Cake is a DeFi coin I use a lot. It's been having some bad days. See if we can get it on. Go to Tether. Ooh. Ooh. Move the oscillator up so we can see. So you can see here that we did get a nice green dot printed on the oscillator saying, hey, this is a bottom. We did get momentum clipped off. The light blue wave clipped off the bottom of the dark blue, so we know that's good. VWAP is starting to curl up. It's actually at 0.04, so that's good. That's good to see. Money flow index wave is in a red state. The colors really don't mean that much on the red and green wave, just as long as you notice if they're above or below 0. So when they're above 0, kind of want to be holding asset. When they're below, you don't. We are going, I haven't been to like an NBA stadium, but I am going to Cleveland Browns Stadium on the 9th, January 9th. We're going for a game. That's what I got the wife for Christmas. She loves football. I like football too, but I mean, she loves it. She's a hardcore sports fanatic. She knows more about sports than me, I swear to God. It's awesome. But yeah, I'm gonna check it out and see what it's looking like. I know, like, when Ohio State plays, Crypto.com banner, their digital banner, goes all the way around the stadium, which is pretty cool. Cake's looking good on the daily. I mean, it looks shitty, but it's looking good as far as the bottom. We do have a big area of support over here. It looks like, as of right now, we are respecting that area. So it might be time to just buy in a little bit more Cake. It's all the way down to $14.98. Pretty good. Not only is it going to respect here, but it's not going to really move all that much and gain all that much in value before it's going to start really having to fight again with resistance. And that's going to be right up here. So our first decent noticeable area of resistance is right around $17.30. So if you were to buy Cake right now, you'd need to buy a shit ton of it to make any fucking money, because it's already, you know, $14, $15. So you would need to put thousands and thousands of dollars into this, in my opinion, to make any money. Because as soon as we get up here to $17, or that 21-day moving average, right around $17.74, almost $18, it's going to probably reject off of there, you guys. It's going to have to test this a couple times and before it breaks. And then once it breaks, it's got to come back and test that support and validate. So we're going to go ahead and draw a crayon drawing on there. That way we can come back next week and see. I think it's going to come up, probably hit the 21, come back down, zigzag a little bit, and then make its way up into the inside. Come back down. I think it's going to do something like this. We shall see. See if the weekly is going to show us anything. Whoops. Not much information on the weekly. You can see that it is respecting that support a little bit better on a weekly chart. Oh, that's sweet. Gallo. No, I'm Bolivian. Haven't visited the state since 2017. FTX bought the rights for the former American Airlines Arena, where the Miami Heat play. So that's 2 NBA arenas with crypto sponsors. Pretty badass. Pretty badass. We got Rev USD Tether. Now, Rev token is the coin that you get for Rev Racing. Okay, so this is a play to earn game. You basically, what you do is you go to OpenSea Market and you buy an NFT car. So this is one of my NFT cars here. This is my other NFT car. Probably should have waited for Mikkel video on Wednesday to to show you this, but I'll just show you a little bit now. We'll probably race on Wednesday. But you buy these NFT cards now. Obviously, they have different attributes to them. Some are faster than others, and some are more expensive than others. And then you got limited editions, you got your commons, rares, and all that good stuff. This one here is one of like 1,000, I think. I'd have to look at it again. But there's a couple of them, couple attributes that I have that are like really, really low. So only a few cards have them. But you buy these NFT cards, and like this one was like $6 or $7, and I think this one was $10. You buy these cards, and then once you hook your account up to Rev with your MetaMask wallet, it's gonna see them cards in there, and then you can just go to Race Now, and you are doing a time attack. So basically, you got 3 laps. You got to get, you know, through them 3 laps quicker than anybody else, and you go up on a leaderboard. Then you earn Rev token. Last week I earned 15.4 Rev token just for racing. I came in like, I think it was 700th place, but still earned 15.4 Rev just for playing a game and having fun. So not that bad. Not that bad. There's Gods of Chain. There's all kinds of different ones that we're playing right now. Get into the Discord, D5 Madness channel, or Play to Earn Games channel. I'm pretty sure it's unlocked. I'm not sure if it's locked or not, but pretty sure it is unlocked, where you can get in and see all of that if you're interested. Gods Unchained is a card game like Magic the Gathering. There's Mines of Daria, where you're pickaxing and breaking blocks and earning gems, and it's pretty cool. But Rev is sitting right around 28 cents right now. It does have support that it's sitting on, and if we want to give it even more cushion, we can bring that down to that 21-week moving average right around 18 cents. Our bottom is 18 cents. The top of the box is right around 28 cents. So as long as we stay up in this box, we respect this, very good for Rev. I'm going to keep on playing, keep on earning. Go over here to dang old Shib. Me and Grits were talking about this in the Discord. This was a breakout trade that we drew in and have been looking at. Whoops, didn't mean to take that one off. You guys can draw this on your chart too if you're messing with Shib. Shib will make you a lot of money if you're trading these breakouts. I'm trying to watch this. I'm trying to be ready for this because I want to trade this breakout. I have a pretty substantial amount of money sitting, waiting for this to happen. I think it's going to break out of here. I think we'll probably see at least a wick up to that 21-day moving average. That's right around 1,000,5066. We are underneath the 50-day moving average. It is acting as resistance, but there's not that much resistance there. So I think it's very possible we break up. And then looking down at the oscillator, DCA oscillator, we are in the oversold area. So hopefully we'll see momentum clip off and it'll start making its move to the upside. If this thing breaks out of here, now this is two different breakouts that we have drawn in. So I got my first pennant one drawn. That's the main one I'm trading. I'm going to try to take this trade if we break to the upside. If we break the bottom of this, I don't know if I'm actually going to take the short on it or not, only because we kind of have this broadening falling channel wedge, if you want to call it, right here. If I want to take a short on this, I would probably prefer to wait until we break the bottom of the wedge. But that's just my 2 cents on Shib. I am watching it. I am trying to trade this, especially if it breaks out to the upside. This is a nice, you can consider this a bull flag still. We are 3/4 of the way down. We're going to get rid of all the crayon drawings. So here's our flagpole. We'll go down to right there. And this is our flag. Now, this can come 3/4 of the way down the flagpole and still be valid. If you go any farther than 3/4 down and you get like down into here, It's no longer a bear flag or a bull flag. It is very, very bearish. So try to remember that. Anything you guys are looking at, want a chart? We'll go over here to Rev Racing and show you guys kind of how it works, if it'll let me. We'll see. You're gonna have to sign the transaction. Right now it's giving you free races. I have free races. You get like 100 free races or something, I think, when you first start. So then we'll enter race, and what's cool is you can share to a driver and have somebody else drive for you. Now you're gonna sign the contracts, and now this knows that when you're done racing, it'll be tied to your wallet. I'm hoping the sound doesn't blow you out. I don't even know if you'll be able to hear it. So you don't want to do that. And I'm playing with the keyboard right now, so it's super freaking hard. And you are earning Rev to do this. That's what's crazy to me. I'm actually earning money to play this race car game. And you gotta do 3 laps. You don't want to wreck. The faster you are, the more money you're gonna make. Let's see if we can get a good one here since we're on stream. You hit the grass or you hit any of them rumble strips and you're gonna wreck. It's gonna spin you out. So you really don't want to hit those. Get back on the road. Yep, see? Just spins you right out. One more lap and we're gonna make $1 million. Come on. Like Oz, Mikkel, them guys are all playing with controllers. I have a controller, but I haven't quite got it set up yet for my computer. I haven't had time. Well, we're gonna wreck. We're gonna wreck. But as soon as I do, I'll be killing it. And I'm not a computer guy, so doing this stuff with a keyboard, every time I hit that one. I didn't beat my old time. I smoked it right before I got on stream. We're gonna make it. No improvement time this time. That's Rev Racing. Just go Google Rev. It'll take you to the place. I'm using Bunny Pancake Finance right now to play it. So if you go to Bunny Finance, you can actually stake your Bunny coin for the Rev token. You can stake your Bunny for different things on Rev where you get drawings and you'll get sweet perks for your car, or win cars. Yeah, Jason, this is pretty badass. Smoked what weed? No, Smoke McKell and Oz, because them guys are using controllers and I use the keyboard. Like earlier when I played before I got on stream, I was freaking, my computer was mining Ethereum Classic and my CPU was mining Raptorium, and I'm playing this game and totally forgot that I had all that stuff on, and definitely overworked it a little bit. But it is a pretty sweet game. And like I said, the cars are super cheap. They are getting more expensive because people are going in and buying the cars, so eventually there's going to be no more cars to buy unless somebody comes out with a different collection, which I'm sure there will be. There's like supercars on there that are like $2,000, but they probably go 500 mile an hour. Pretty badass. Right now this race I'm down to 963rd place, but my best overall time is 2 minutes 49 seconds. So you know, a couple seconds. My tournament best is 2 minutes 13. So it's pretty slick. You guys will have to check this out. Earn some token. 70,000 rev on this race, and this is only for today, and then tomorrow it'll be a different track, and then you race all of them, and you know what I mean, all you gotta do is just race them, and then at the end of the week you'll get your payout. So it's pretty slick. That's awesome, Golden Wolf. That is awesome. Yeah, no smoking weed, just smoking McKell and Oz. Oh crap. But alright guys, if you need any help, hit me up in the Discord. If you're looking at something, wanting to buy something, yell at me, have me look at the chart first, and I would be more than happy to help you out with that. So definitely hit me up in the Discord. Golden Wolf, Jason S, Gallo, appreciate you guys for stopping in. Lethargy, appreciate every one of you. Eventually I'm going to get on a routine where I do these every day at the same time, so that way get more people in here, more people in the live stream. Nobody knows when I'm going to do them. I hardly ever know when I'm going to do them, so it's hard to be prepared and everybody be, you know, ready and waiting. But for all you that have came out, appreciate you very much. And hit me up in the Discord. Friday night live stream. Wednesday we're going to have D5 Madness, me and McKell. Probably be showing more of the Rev, and maybe Minds of Daria, Gods Unchained, stuff like that. But smash that like button. Appreciate y'all. Have a good rest of your week. Remember what I said about Bitcoin? Oh, wait. There is one more thing I have to show y'all on Bitcoin. I forgot about this. Whoops. Yeah, I gotta show you this. Damn it. We are going to take oscillator off. Relative or stochastic RSI is what we're going to be using. Let's go to the weekly. 2 week chart. Possibly going to get a crossover. That blue line crosses under the orange line. That's not good. Not good at all. Normally when we get the crosses, we fall 30 to 50%, so keep that in mind. It'd be really nice if we could get back above the 79 level and hold. This level right around 69 to 79, if I make a little square box, you go back in history of Bitcoin, and this is a very, very significant area. Very, very significant. A lot of our crosses happen in this area. So right now that is acting as resistance. We need to get back up above this box. Right now we're still bullish, but if we get this crossover on the stochastic RSI, not good. Not good at all. Just wanted to point that out to you guys. Same here on the monthly. We are at the bottom though. We are at 20. Normally when you see the crosses, you want the crosses to happen up above 80, and then you know that it's really time to take off and get going. Like you see, let me see if we can scrunch this chart up here. So when we get above 80 mark through here, and our blue line is still on top, this is where we want to take our trade. I know you guys are going to watch a lot of videos on stochastic RSI. 90% of them are showing you the wrong way to use this tool. It's all about if it's going to be above or below the 80 mark. Same with the 40 mark. Keep that in mind. I do have a video, one of my very first videos. I went through and did the basic of like your stochastic RSI, your regular RSI, your MACD, Bollinger Bands, Ichimoku Cloud, all the simples. What up, some goblin? So it just depends, but I don't trade with the RSI, the stochastic RSI, that much. I look at them occasionally. Why don't I trade with them? Well, the DCA oscillator has this shit already in it, so I don't need to look at this. If I know how to read the DCA oscillator, I know exactly what the stochastic RSI is doing. And check this too, guys. If you get a TradingView account, you go down in the link in the description, you sign up for TradingView, you will get some coins. I think, yeah, you'll get $30 in TradingView coin if you pay for a paid subscription. Now I think like the Pro right now you could probably get for $40 for the whole year, $50 for the whole year, which will give you access to a ton more tools, and then it'll give you $30 for a free month. So what you do is you go in, you buy it on Black Friday like I do every year, or redo my account for the year on Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and you will get a hell of a discount, plus you'll get your $30 in coins. So if you ever want to upgrade or you want to buy something, like you can buy, if you're trading stocks, you can buy pre-market open, where you can trade stocks pre-market open. Same with extended hours. You can pay for extended hours and trade for 2 hours after market closes, which is pretty cool. That's when the most volatile moves are, though, in the stocks, is right at the open and right at the close. In the middle, ain't nothing happening but retail people getting crushed. And Bitcoin, she's wanting to keep going. But alright guys, have a good night. I'll check y'all later. Keep stacking the sats.